Welcome to the Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta, the world's largest and most colorful hot air balloon festival. Every October, Albuquerque, New Mexico hosts the world's largest and most colorful hot air balloon festival. It all began in 1972 with just 13 balloons, but has since grown to attract over 500 balloons and nearly 1 million visitors from around the world. The fiesta takes place over 9 days, with balloons launching every morning and evening. The morning launches, known as the Dawn Patrol, are a highlight of the festival. A select few balloons take off before dawn and fly with special lights to guide them. The Special Shapes Rodeo is another popular event, featuring balloons in the shape of animals, cartoon characters, and more. But the festival is not just about the balloons. There are also food vendors, live music, and other entertainment, creating a true festival atmosphere. It's a great opportunity for families and friends to come together and enjoy the spectacle of hundreds of balloons filling the sky. As the balloons soar into the sky and the crowds below cheer, it's easy to see why this festival has become such an important part of New Mexico's cultural heritage. The Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta is a truly unique and unforgettable event, showcasing the beauty and adventure of hot air ballooning.